Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a diecast BMW. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the diecast scale model of BMW X6. This is a 1:24 scale model. This product comes in a white color and is made entirely on plastic. Product comes with rubber tires, steel-like plastic alloys, and the tires can go left-right. This was actually an RC car, but I modified it with this BMW logo and the number plate. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. Now let's take this die-cast model of BMW X6 for a mini test drive. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.